Hello, welcome back to another video. Now we're going to look at Quantitative Sales Forecasting 3.3.1. All I ask for is to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Within your exams, you may be asked about moving averages. These smooth out the fluctuations in data, so it's easier to identify trends. However, it may ignore anomalies or outliers that should be investigated. Now there's a 3-period moving average and a 4-period, and we'll explain how they work now. So with 3-period moving average, you will have your months. So let's say January, February, March, for example, and you have your sales for each month. What you do, you find the average, you add 3 up, divide by 3, and that's your average. So as you can see here, January plus February plus March, divided by 3, and that's our answer. You will then do February plus March plus April, divided by 3, then March plus April plus May, divided by 3, etc., etc. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, tell me in the comments and I'll try to explain it better. Now with a 4-period moving average, it's a little bit more complicated, but we'll explain it now. So what he's done for the first quarter, so 1, 2, 3, 4, he's added all of them up, and that's how he's got 908, and he's divided that by 4. Then he got 912 by adding 224, 204, 240, and 244. Then he's got 924 by doing 204, 240 plus 244 plus 236, etc., etc. Once you do all of that, you divide by 4 for your answers. And then once you actually get those answers, you need to basically do the same thing again. So now with the answers, 227 plus 228, divide that by 2. Then 228 plus 231, divide by 2. Then 231 plus 235 divided by 2, 233, and you do that all along. This is a very hard topic to get your head around. Don't worry if you don't understand. If I haven't explained it as clear as you would like me to, I don't mind making another video going into much more detail. But generally speaking though, within your business A-level exams, you probably will not be asked to calculate all of this and do it. They'll probably give you the information and you just have to talk about it. But just remember that you just rewatch the video and remember how I've explained that you've got these figures. How I like to remember it for the 3-period moving average is the one before. So when I'm looking at 3 months, I remember it as 1 before, 1 during, 1 after. So for example, 1 before is January, 1 during is February, 1 after is March. Then move on to February, March, April is 1 before, which is February, 1 during is March, and 1 after is April, etc., etc. And then the same for 4-period moving average, but 1 before, 1 during, and 2 after. You then need scatter graphs. So these just identify the overall trend and look for correlation between 2 variables. However, they don't establish cause and effect. What that basically means is correlation shows there's a relationship between 2 variables, whereas cause and effect says this variable definitely affects another variable. So for example, let's say a business advertises their products on a TV advert and they make so many sales a week later. Now you could say that there's definitely correlation, but there may not be cause and effect. This is because their competitors may have stopped producing products because something's happened at their factory, and that's why the business actually got a lot of sales. It may not be because of the advertisement. Other factors may have affected it. So that's what we mean by cause and effect. And then you need the extrapolation. So this is used to predict future sales. Trends in the past sales data can be used to forecast future sales. This allows managers to set sales targets, and sales performance can then be measured against these targets to see if they're doing well. However, it's hard to know how long a short-term trend will last. If you see sales increasing recently, you don't know if it's going to last forever or it's going to just be of a short time period. Also, extrapolation relies on past trends remaining true. However, past performance does not indicate what will happen in the future, because any factors can affect sales. If your business thought around every March to May time you get loads of sales, you may have expected in 2020 that we're going to get so many sales, but COVID hit and obviously it really affected a lot of businesses. And also it's not useful in a dynamic market because market conditions are always changing. You do need to know about variations, which is differences between the actual sales figure minus the moving average figure, but that specific sales forecasting You just need to know that the formula, and you'll probably be given some information. You just work it out. Apart from that, this is the end of the video. I know this video is a bit tricky to actually really get your head around and understand, but like I said, I just give you the information you need, and after you can revise it yourself so I don't waste your time. I would say though, don't worry, because within these type of questions, you're not gonna have like a big question. You may be given information already as like an extract, and then you take it from there, so you may not have to work out a lot of information yourself. All I ask for is a subscribe, a like, and share with your friends, and thank you for watching.